Guys, if you're over 40, you're not yourself. You've gained belly fat and lost muscle. You try to work out, but you lack the motivation, and well, the results just aren't there. Find the body you once had.
Sometimes you get into your mid-40s and you're working harder than ever in the gym, and sometimes it's not your fault.
So why has your body changed? Why aren't you getting results in the gym? Well, you're getting older and you've lost hormones and vitamin. You can't replace what has been lost. The 25 Again program will reset your body to a youthful state at any age. Our doctors find optimal levels, and they guarantee them.
I'm stronger, I'm faster, I've got more passion, more energy, and I'm happier than ever.
I can't go to the gym, the mall, the grocery store, somebody doesn't ask me about them. They say, does it really work? Yes, it really works.
25 Again is an exclusive program with proven results. Guys, it is possible. Find your athletic body, find your muscle tone, find yourself. Don't wait, we make it easy, and results are guaranteed. Go to 25again.com and call today.